you go back to Romulus and Remus of the founders of Rome. Again, two baby boys who get thrown in the river and then somehow miraculously survive. The theme of young boys is just all over the place. Cain and Abel, another boy, murdered by another boy. It's an over repeating theme encwadini yamathala ukuthi lento le yezingane ezincane zabafana, they seem to be ama-victims awathandayo lobra lokhuzana. If it's not iy'ngane zabafana, it's usually going to be the virgins. But lezi ama-virgins amantombazane bayasebenzisela leli linye ithwalo lokuganga. Naba abafana kakhulukazi in the, like I said before, the Roman Church in its entirety, which involves all the other things, the apostasis of Rome, and the Mayama branches that came out of, because the universal church is the Catholic one. That's where all the churches come from. And all these other branches asekhona manje, they are basuka lapha bonke phezulu Pope. And when the Romans set up that system, because it is not a secret ukuthi it was the Emperor Constantine who set up the church as it is today. The Council of Men, again, I keep saying over and over, there's going to be always a few men who sit together and decide something. Council of Nicaea, go and research on that. It wasn't the only council. I talked about the other one on 1406, where there was a council in Amsterdam that decided the fate of Africans, which was then followed by another council in Germany, where we called it in 1881, the Berlin Conference. Now, it's up to you to figure out which one came after that, because I definitely am sure there's another one that came after that. Angeke bayeke ukuhlangana in private and discuss things. This is why you end up with an explosion of information, like the whole thing of Epstein files, because that's what they do. They go into these private islands, they meet together. These people don't know each other, and they know each other very well. Bahlangane benze yonke le mikhuba le. Because the whole system is run by pedophiles. The Roman Empire was run by pedophiles. Go and read the history. All of the Roman emperors had a pedophilic thing with boys. If it's not women, girl virgins, it's going to be the boys. And it's always going to be the boys. The entire thing is built on pedophilia. And it's not because it's because they know who they are worshipping. Bayamazi uNkulunkulu wabo ukuthi uVulcan, uSathane uhlezi echibini. And the entire system is working because of him. And incwadi yabatha emathwalo ayifihli izinto. Someone was asking ukuthi why is it that they tell the truth? And I was like, no. Kubalulekile ukuthi balikhulume iqiniso, because the law of the universe is truth. If you don't speak truth, then how is your thing going to manifest into being? So kuyabaphoqa nalaba abakaSathane ukuthi balikhulume iqiniso, but you just can't pick it up because you are ignorant, you are lacking of wisdom. You suffer for the lack of wisdom. That's why you can't see when they tell it in front of you, this is what we are doing. Because if they lied, then something else will manifest. And that's not what they want. So even them, they have no choice but to tell the truth, because the universe only responds to truth. Ayikwazi ukurespond emangeni. You see. Nginibingelele ekuseni nisemsebenzini lapho nibhorekile, but yeah. So I wanted to double down on this. Ukuthi the agenda of the church has always been the abuse of boys, taking the innocence of little boys, always. This is why you find ukuthi kusathula kwamanje, but I'm sure it's still ongoing. In fact, all of the churches, iskandali sokunukubeza kwey'ngane zabafana is an entrenched thing. We're coming into the early 90s, late 90s, the church was literally going bankrupt. Behamba amacala, bekhokhela abafundisi amacala kulezi zinto zokunukubeza ingane zabafana. It's not a secret. The church inuka phu i-abuse yey'ngane zabafana ey'ncane. And the system is very much in front of you, but you can't tell. You know, black people thought it was okay ukuthi you find a setup yemfundisi lapha phambili, and the children that are sitting next to him are going to be these young boys, nithi ikhonzi zikamfundisi. And all of the churches do this. You thought that was an okay situation. Why was it practice? Why was this the practice? Why is it still the practice? What is this, the doctrine and the liturgy of the church, to have young boys there next to umfundisi, ikhonzi? And then masebeyinukubeza lezi ngane, you imagine ukuthi hayi kungena uSathane or something. But no, that's what the church is about. That's exactly what the church is about. You go look up this Pope I talked about, that family of Bokia and the other family of... Just be curious and just find out what the popes were doing back then. You'll discover a shocking thing. And this is what the church is founded on. It's not because something possessed the church, or because isonto itself, by its foundation, was designed and was developed and was imagined by people who were worshipping uSathane wasechibini, uVulcan. And black people are not angry at this. They don't realize ukuthi you've taken izinto zama-pedophiles nayithatha nazenze zenu, and wonder why kunenkinga engaka yobutabane manje. All these priests abebenukubeza iy'ngane zabafana, most of these children now became lokuthiwa abantu hayi nedimoni lokhuzane, kanti abafundisi abagruma iy'ngane zabafana in all of the churches. Ziphelile iy'ngane zabafana abancane, ziphelile. The same way iy'ngane zamantombazane kade ziqedwa othisha ey'koleni, the same way iy'ngane zabafana ziqedwa abafundisi emasontweni. Uyayibona le nto le ukuthi it's always assisting each other. If you go this way ukhaviwe, you go this way ukhaviwe, you go this way ukhaviwe. Ayikho into eqhamuka ngaphandle efike i-corrupte anything kulezi zinto lezi ezenziwa la emhlabeni. Leyo nto isekuyikhombisa i-nature yayo ukuthi no, this is what was done, this is what was created for, this is what this thing was created for. You see, so it makes sense ukuthi even in the schooling system that was designed by the Jesuits, you will find ukuthi kunedimoni elifanayo nakhona. Because anything that is done by anyone, it carries a spirit salowo muntu leso. Even when you conduct your music, when you write your music, or you create your art, whatever you do, it will carry your spirit with you. That's why there's so much negative energy in the music today. Or not even just today, I think from the 60s, even from the 30s. When you listen to some of the music, I thought, okay. There was also a violinist who was famous, I think he was Italian as well, and he was suspected. He went in and signed a deal with the devil. And he lived very short years, but he played the violin like no one can play it, so they say. I've never had the luxury to really actually listen to his sound, but I'm sure if you were to listen to that sound, you will pick up a negative energy. So there is a thing with these cults that wear dresses, and I think it was Jordan Maxwell was explaining ukuthi you have to pay attention ukuthi all your priests, they wear a clothing yabantu besifazane, and that's not a coincidence. Siyayizwa ke manje, and which means ukuthi these men are men who are not really men. And that's why there's also a condition of priesthood where you're supposed to abandon contact with women. They take a vow of chastity. In danger there. When the creator of the universe, or for example, let's say uGod wabo made it clear ukuthi you must go forth and multiply. Zalananand. So why would he say people must not get involved in the Zalananand thing? Ngiyanibona lapho my comment. So you have this cult that is running literally the planet, and it's a cult of men in women's dresses. All of it, it's women's dresses. Whether you go to court, you find people wearing women's dresses in the court. Ijaji lakho lelana. All of these things are connected. You go to university, you go to college, you go to where, when people are going to graduate in that congregation. And remember, when you're going to graduate, that whole that whole ritual of graduation is called a congregation. And where else do you find a congregation? In church. I'm explaining to you, Uti, all of these things are interconnected because imibuso emelene nomuntu. And at the top, the ring that rules them all, and in their ignorance behind them, is the ring of the Pope. That is the one who is the Dark Lord of the Lord of the Rings. Everyone who goes to Vatican there, they go and kiss the ring of the Pope. All of your leaders, you go there, kiss the Pope, the ring of the Pope. Even in the Protestant churches that come out of Catholicism, when they go to have those interfaith things, they are kissing the ring of the Pope because they know. Now, pay attention to that, Utim. All of these cults and this dress up of women's clothing, that means that there's something sexual going on there. There's a sexual perversion that's going to go on there. Because if for men to wear women's clothing, it's not a style, it's not ritualistic, it just means that you are up to something. Angikhathali ngathini. But the minute you wear women's clothing, it's like a problem. It's very suspicious. Now, you must also remember, because I wanted to finish off with this one, ukuthi uBrajay uthi maye sebembopha laphana Getsemane, I think was where they caught him up. Esezomdayisa lo umdayisayo. You must remember laphana I think it's 26, Mark 26 if I'm not mistaken, that last one there. It is said ukuthi uthe mabemfica laphana bamfica enengane yomfana eyayingaqokile kahle. Ethe mabefika yashiya leyo ndwangu yayimboze ngayo phansi yabaleka inqunu. It's in there. Go read it. Why would they put that in there? Why would they put such a passage about Brajay? Remember, these people sat down in the Council of Nicaea and had a very long time to decide which books go and which books don't come in. So they had all the time to brush up whatever they felt they needed to brush up. Yet, this passage survives. Brajay is found with a young boy who runs away naked. Out of nowhere. Bafuna ukuthini labantu? Bafuna ukuthi benzani nengane entabeni ngoba wahamba wayentabeni, wayesentabeni lapho eGetsemane eThandasa, where it is said he was sweating blood. And by the way, even himself, right at the beginning, because you find ukuthi whoever that person the story is about is a young boy that was abducted. And this is why uthole ukuthi they don't talk about his birth, they only talk about ukuthi utholakale in a manger. They don't talk about his pregnancy kama wakhe, so to say umoya oyingcwele that has impregnated her. This is a story of a child that was with parents that were not their parents, and it was a strange child they didn't know about. And then there's another thing where the three major magicians that come, they bring frankincense, they bring myrrh, they bring gold. When you do the research, you find ukuthi these are the three prominent things in the sarcophagi. It came. Imirele, it's very well known for its utility with embalming. Now, frankincense is an aromatic. Ukwenza ukuthi that embalmed body inuke kahle. And gold is used to embellish those sarcophaguses. Angithi sasithathe imizimba siyisonge kahle, sithathe ama-organs siwafake endishini sobe eceleni, bese sithatha umzimba suwomise kahle, subugcobe lento-ke imire ne-frankincense, lamafutha agcobeke, ugcine sekunuka kahle-ke, sikuvale ngelokhuzana, ngama-bandage, bese sikubeka. Now, one could interpret that passage as indicating ukuthi there may have been a grave robbery there. Be that as it may, let's say there was no grave robbery, but it is interesting ukuthi bathe mabefika umatrimejayi befuna lengane beyithola beshiya lezi zinto lezi zabantu abangcwatshiwe, kube sekubulawa ingane zabafana, because they say King Herod ordered the slaughter of all the young babies, young baby boys in Bethlehem. So this is not a game. It's very serious. No one was going to leave passages like this in a book for no reason. And the secrets of wisdom being double that which is, it means the people who are at the top echelons of the church know exactly what these things mean and they utilize them. Zinyamalala iy'ngane zethu and nobody bothers. Nibhizi nama-NIU nina la ahambe bulala abantu who are suspected for ukushaya iy'moto zemali nani, all good and well, but iy'ngane zenyamalala. What is the NIU doing about these children that go missing? Or FBI, or Interpol, 111, all these organizations of international policing. Iy'ngane lezi ey'nyamalalayo, what are they doing about it? Nothing. Because the people who are using these babies are people of power. The entire system runs ekusetshenzisweni lezingane zethu zabafana. Akudlalwa nje la. Sengisho ukuthi nina abantu abamnyama niyigadisisa ingane zenu zabafana. Njengoba nezamantombazane niyigadisisa nje. And keep your children far away from the churches. Keep them far, far away. Otherwise zizoba imhlabelo kaVulcan lapha. USathane uhlezi echibini, aka Hephaestus, aka Yahweh, aka Jehovah.